Hi, welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Sonal Sharma and I am working as functional consultant with BISP Solutions. In today's video for ARCS application, we are going to understand the method that is variance analysis method, and through this method we also understand the process overview for reconciliation compliance. Variance analysis is a method where, as you can understand by its name, performing variance analysis, where you just need to load the data for a single system, that is source system, and the balances of that particular systems are going to compare through the reconciliation for the different periods. Like you need to understand that in this method, you are analyzing the variances of the difference of balance for two periods or the fluctuation arising. The period time or the span can be anything like month, quarter, year, or according to the organization's preferences. In this method, the automation process is working this reconciliation as in the normal nomenclature. If you put some human resources, they need to cross check the balances one by one with these. So here in this method, you can see that it is overall accounting monitoring process where you understand the balances fluctuation, and it is automatic process which requires the variance explanation. Like there are two types of differences arise. First one is where it is getting clear while reconciling through auto reconciliation, and on the other way, like when you are providing the rules, some of the reconciliation of balances are not yet cleared. In that case, the manual explanation was required. In this picture, you can see that variance analysis method, there you only need to give one system, that is source system, and there are two periods like February and March, and they are having this balance, and the difference is called the unmatched or unexplained differences, and you need to give explanation for that. So this is what the performing variance analysis method. Here you can utilize the same profile or format for the multiple times for different time periods, reconciliations. We should go to the applications for this, and I'll show you. Here you need to select for performing variance analysis. You need to select any profile. Like I created a profile to show you that this is the profile where we are going to perform the variance analysis method. Okay. Uh, as here already one method is selected, that's why it is not showing, so you can see it now. So this is accrued payroll and taxes. This is the name of this profile, where you need to, rest of the things are just similar to the other process of reconciliation, but here you need to select the process as variance analysis, and you need to select the account type as accrued payroll and taxes. And the most important thing, for the format, you need to select any format which is showing the method variance analysis. Here, rest of the things are just similar to the profile creation. For the other things as we made, you can provide the instructions, provide the rules, provide the workflow here. Okay, so this is the profile we are going to use for the reconciliation purpose. I already created a reconciliation here for the period of January and February, as you can see in the reconciliation list. Here, I will show you that as I'll show you for February and January period. Okay, so this is and February. So this is the period, and I'm going to select the same profile. I already imported the data here and created a reconciliation. For January period, I already created the reconciliation and its status showing as closed. I am showing you January profile because so that you can understand that how the different periods are going to reconcile in this method. Now moving to the February period, here I am opening this reconciliation. As you can see, there is one unexplained difference. Here, variance explanation the preparer need to provide in case the auto reconciliation is not going to work as per your rules. Okay, so here you can see the variance period balances. January balance is this, and the current period, that is February balance, is this. So this is what the difference is arising, and this is the unexplained difference. So here you can see how the variance analysis method is going to use to reconcile for the particular balance of different periods. Here the preparer is Carrie Lane, and he is going to give explanation once this reconciliation is being created. Okay, so it is already created, so it will once created from here, which is already done, so it will automatically show into the reconciliation list or work list of the preparer, so he can give or provide the explanation on this difference. This is how the variance analysis method is working. So I hope you understand this method. Now moving to the reconciliation process compliance. Here you need to understand one thing, that how the process works. Here it's a 6-step process where you need to load the data. As we already understand what are the ways to load the data, like you can load the data through this period portion. Okay, like is this open period, so you can load the data from import data, import pre-map data through period section. You can also manually enter some balances here, or through the data management also you can provide the data. So this is loading the data. Then auto reconciliation can be done. So auto reconciliation is what? This is, I'll show you through a profile. While creating any profile, or utilizing any created profile, in case of any method, suppose I am choosing the account analysis method. Okay, so for this period, suppose I am taking any profile, like I am taking this remittance profile. Okay, I'll show you in the already created profile. Here, as you can see, all the things are according just similar to the remaining profile. Here, once you decide, or once you define the format or process, you can see there is auto reconciliation tab is open, which provides you that what are the activities or methods you are going to select, through which the reconciliation once created will automatically be reconciled. Like I am creating any of the profile where I need that in case if the balance is zero, it will automatically reconciled, no need to submit by the preparer, and no requirement to review or to accept or reject by the reviewer. So these are the activities or methods where, as you can see, the balance in case is zero, or there is no activity, or balance is within the range. You can also provide some range here, that up to which limit, like what is the lower limit, what is the higher limit. Through this you can define that this is the height, or this is the limit, or the criteria in between. So auto reconciliation can be done automatically. After that, you need to notify. Notification can be given by the email, as you can see it from the configuration part. Here you can provide the email notification detail from this particular tab. Okay, so you can also notify. Then preparer prepares, you need to create or prepare the reconciliation. Preparer is going to give explanation on the manual. After auto reconciliation, what is left will be moving to the preparer. Preparer once submit, reviewer is going to review that particular reconciliation explanation, and in case if it is done, it is monitored by the administrator, that what is the status, what is the reconciliation status, like it is open, or it is closed, or it is open with preparer, or open with reviewer. So this is what the overview of the reconciliation compliance process we understand in this video. So we understand that what is the variance analysis method, and how we can do that, and the process reconciliation compliance. So I think this is it for today's video. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.